Hello everyone, so this is the second part of this video and I am going to show you how to colorize this design. I'm going to select everything and I tried to make everything in black, so it is showing me a question mark. That means it is not in black and that is not what it should be. So I need to make it all black, and once it is done it is going to work. So this is how it is looking right now. We will add some twist to this design, and for doing that I am going to add some colors to it. So let's try to make some vintage looking colors. So I'm going to selecting this red color, but I will change that to kind of a old looking red here, and maybe I'll try to make it yellow, but not yellow of course, kind of this creamy kind of color, or I'm not sure what color this is. So kind of that. This is going to be the two main color of my design. Now I am going to select this one. So for making it a colorful design, what we need to understand is I am going to first of all, so whatever is in solid color, so you can see this one is in solid color, this one, this one, this one. So this is in solid color. I need to make them solid. One click color, and then if I try to make something that is not in, that is in 3D, that means this one. So they are not in solid color, not in solid color. So for changing their color, if I try to make it look like this, it is going to look good right now, good now, but if I change the background color to black, it is not going to work. So you can see this is not looking good. So for fixing this problem, I need to first of all select these two, and remember the first layer should be black. So main layer is black right now, and then whatever color you want. So I want this color. Let's bring a copy, make it bigger, cut it. Now I need to select this shape and press Ctrl B. So this is how it is looking. I am going to select this one and this one, then press Shift M, that is for shape builder, and erase, and press Alt to click in the outside of the area, that will erase those parts. So not this one, not this one. Okay, so this is how you can just make anything that is in 3D shape colorful. So this is the perfect way of colorizing your design. Now it is not looking very good right now. It is not really that much visible, but don't worry, it will. So this is how it is looking right now, and for now I am going to change this color to kind of this dark color, so that I can at least see some of my graphics here. So in this one here, this is, you can say this is in 3D. So okay, so I need to first of all select everything, then if I deselect this group, whatever is left here I need to cut it, then double click on this group and paste it here. So it needs to be inside the group. So as you can see, this is, you can say this is in 3D. So for colorizing this one, I am going to select this one, that will give me that color, and I am going to take a rectangle here, send it to back, and then I am going to select that shape and then erase the outside part. That is really easy, but the problem is, as you can see, it is being visible from here. So for fixing that, let's cut that shape and then double click this layer. So come inside this layer and press Ctrl B here. So that will place our that color shape behind everything, and then you can see whatever we placed inside the shape, that will be applied to our that color too. So this is how it is looking right now. And for this one here, I am going to select this sun looking shape. I am going to make that in that color maybe. So in this one, in this area here, I am going to make it same style here. So maybe this one in this color, and if I select these shapes, okay, not this one, just this two outer circle and the shape, press Shift M to erase it. That will be easy for us to erase. So as you can see, this is how it is looking right now. So maybe these shapes I can simply make it in this color, maybe that will look good. So let's keep it like that for now. And for this one here, I am going to select this one. I am just placing a color for everything. I will decide which color for which area, but that's later. So that is fine. Now you can see the same problem here. So select this one, cut it, go inside this group and press Ctrl B. and that is going to fix it. So that's fine for that area. And for this one here, so this here is some reddish color here, so let's keep the red for outside circle, keep this one for inside circle, and that is good. For this one here, I'm going to do the same thing. So as you can see, this is how it is looking, and there is a easiest way of color edging a graphic like this, and which is if I select this one, this shape. Okay, so let's create an offset path for it, maybe 2 pixel for now, and that is fine. Let's click OK, and here you can see there is tons of details here. So all I need to do is I am going to merge it, unite, then cut it. So this is how it is looking right now. Let's paste it here, make it a different color than the original one. Okay, so cut it, then select this one, then press Ctrl B to paste in the back. So as you can see, this is how it is looking right now. And if I select this shape here, this color, I can place any color I want for that area. So this is how it is looking, but as you can see, the same problem remains for this area. So for fixing that, I need to select this shape, again create the offset path that we created, then unite this, don't worry, just cut it. Now here I need to select this background color shape, double click to come inside the group, and then press Ctrl A here, sorry, Ctrl F here. Now select everything, then press Shift M to erase the part that you want to just remove from here. Okay, so once it is done, I am going to again unite everything so it becomes a shape like this, then pick any color you want, then come out of the isolation mode. So you can see this is how you can easily colorize that shape. Now the problem is that shape is okay, so that color shape should be inside the black group, otherwise this area is not working properly. So for fixing that, I need to just select this shape, this, you can see which shape I am selecting, cut it, then select this group, this black group, and then inside this group where you can select each and everything individually, just do not select anything and press Ctrl B here. So this is how it is going to look right now, and this is really easy. So you can simply just, if you want, you can simply put one color for each element, like one color for the skeleton, one color for the this shape here. Okay, so let's try to do that. So this is my bike shape here. I want to select the shape of the bike only, then create this same size offset path, merge, unite, so that will, this is how it will look. Now I am going to cut it, I am going to select this shape and then press Ctrl B here. So that is fine. Now I am going to select this shape, again the same size offset path, cut it, paste it here, again use the shape builder tool to colorize this part. So that is good. Now again I am going to unite this, make it this color, cut it. Now here I want to select my this one, this shape, biker shape, and then press Ctrl B just behind my bike shape. So this is how it is going to look right now, and we need to fix this area, the part of the hand here. So for fixing that, we need to select each and everything individually. So this part is what I want to select right now, and that is good. Let's try shape builder tool to fix these areas right now. This is not really important, but this will help you understand the process. So this is how it is looking. Now I am going to pick this color for that area, and if I just, okay, so I can keep it like this. So yeah, that's fine. So this is how it is looking. So it will look kind of like this is holding the skeleton color is different and it is holding the bike handle, but there is a little problem. You need to fix kind of this area and all the small details, but that's not what I want right now. So let's cut it. Now I'm going to select this one. So we place something inside this group. So if I double click to come inside this group here and then press Ctrl B, I can pick any color and then it is going to work, but I need to select everything, merge unite to make it one single shape. That is fine. Okay, sorry, so that was a mistake. So I need to select this shape here, and then as you can see, this is the, okay, so not that one. I need to select everything that is in that color, and then with shape builder tool I can fix that area. Okay, so this is how it is looking, but it is not looking very good. So let's go back to the original position. We need to do it very precisely. That will work here, don't worry. So I'm going to just keep everything in this one color layer, so that is fine. Now for this one here, I'm going to change the color to something like that. Maybe, I'm not sure. So this one and this one should be in this color. Let's see how it is looking. Okay, let's not change the color. So this is how it is looking. And for this one, so for this text I want to make it this color, of course, and then I want to add some details to it. So for doing that, I am going to search for some grunge texture, and I am going to need some lower style grunge. Okay, so this one will work for us. So let's copy this one. This is just an image and we cannot, okay, so as you can see, that is just a PNG image, so we cannot just copy and bring that to Illustrator. So we need to place it. I am using the shortcut Ctrl Shift P for place. Now I am going to image trace this one. Don't worry, I am not going to use this as it is. So this is how it is looking. Let's make it look like this. That is fine. So this is the shape I will be using. So I'm going to select, okay, let's cut it. I'm going to select my this text. Now I'm going to place it here. So here I need two things. I need two copy of this shape. Ctrl C, Ctrl F. That means copy, paste in front, and I'm going to change the shape to this one. So I have two shape right now. One in this color, another one is in red. So on this one, this gray or this cream color one, I'm going to cut this shape, and I'm going to select this one, open transparency, and press Ctrl V here. So Ctrl V will make it look like this. I mean, placing that will make it look like this, but I don't want it in that way. I want it in kind of this way. So this is going to give me some kind of textured look here. So that is fine, but it is not working perfectly. Maybe it will work in this way. I'm not sure. I just want this texture as look here. So yeah, that's fine. So this is how it is looking, don't worry. And for this shape here, so this is the group here. I need to select this shape and see which layer is being selected. So this layer is being selected. Under that I will find that original shape, the red shape, you can even see here. So copy that and then press Ctrl F here, and then press this one, make this one, press Shift X to make this one in stroke mode. So this is how it is going to look, and that is a cool looking effect. That is fine. So for this one here, this original shape here, I am going to make it black and see how it is going to look. So that is fine, that is looking good. But this text, I don't want it in this black. So let's try to remove this shape, this color, and then let's try to make it in a color like this. So yeah, that is looking good. That's looking better than the original way we placed. Okay, so that was a mistake. I cannot do that. So here I am going to just delete this part and then select everything, make it that color. So that is how it is looking right now, and I hope this will help you understand the process of coloring. So whatever is only in 3D look, you have to colorize in that way, and whatever is not, you can simply colorize them in this way. So this part and this part should be in the same color. So that is how it is going to look. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope it will help you understand the coloring process. If you have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. And if you have any, if you are going to practice this and find any problem, you can post in my Facebook group, and there are many peoples like me who will try to help you understand where you are making the mistakes. So that's it for this one, guys. See you in the next video. Have a great time. Thank you.